Let's find out how to activate your commodity trading account on the Sharekhan website. Follow these easy steps to get started. After logging into the website, you're ready to begin the activation process. Go to Trade Now. By default, the normal order will be selected. Next, click on MCXFO. A pop-up for activation will appear. Now, click on Activate Now. A new pop-up window for risk disclosures will appear. After reading, click on Acknowledge. Now, a confirmation window will pop up. Select the document applicable to you as proof of income. Now, click on Choose File and upload the relevant document. Please note, the proof of income step will not be required if your DPMS contains more than 25,000 worth of stock. After uploading the document, click on Next to proceed. Fill in your personal details. Then, click on Occupational Details and choose your applicable profession. Next, select the politically exposed person (PEP) details applicable to you and click Next. Now, if you selected PEP, you'll have subdetails to provide. Click Next when done. In the Brokerage tab, click Next. Next, you will select the option that applies to you. For farmers and value chain participants, click on the option that corresponds to your role. You'll arrive at the final window that contains the ECN mandate. Click Download to obtain the one-page mandate. Now, scroll to the bottom of this section and select I agree. Click Submit to complete the activation process. After clicking Submit, you will receive a confirmation. And there you have it. You've successfully activated your trading account on the Sharekhan website. Happy trading!
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.